Hi everyone, welcome to my latest Lightroom tutorial. Today we will learn to make the preset you can see on the screen. Here are some before and after pictures. If you would like the original preset file, you can download it for free by finding the password in this tutorial. Detailed instructions can be found in the description. Let's begin. Open the light section. Exposure, plus 0.4. Contrast, plus 7. Highlights, minus 2. Shadows, plus 20. Whites, plus 3. Blacks, minus 13. Let's go to the tone curve. Let's make these changes to the red curve. Make the following changes to the green curve. Modify the blue curve this way. Open the color section. Vibrance, plus 15. Saturation, plus 2. Open color mix. Red. Hue, plus 20. Saturation, minus 14. Luminance, minus 33. Orange. Saturation, minus 16. Luminance, minus 29. Yellow. Hue, minus 57. Saturation, minus 18. Luminance, plus 52. Green. Hue, minus 99. Saturation, minus 23. Luminance, plus 41. Aqua. Saturation, -3. Luminance, +24. Blue. Hue, -3. Saturation, -51. Luminance, +27. Purple. Saturation, -20. Luminance, -13. Magenta. Hue, +8. Saturation, -20. Open the color grading section. Let's edit the shadows. Hue, +227. Saturation, +3. Change the highlights. Hue, +65. Saturation, +4. Blending, +100. Open the Effects section. Clarity, -25. Dehaze, +30. Open Optics and tick Remove CA. And we're finished. To keep up to date with new tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Check out the rest of this channel for more free presets. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.